Dahlias are beautiful, easy-to-grow flowers that bloom non-stop from mid-summer to fall. They come in many different colors, shapes, bloom sizes and vary in height. Dahlias grow in zones 3 to 11. In warmer zones they can be left in the ground, but in colder zones dahlia tubers must be dug up and stored inside for the winter. Dahlias are cold sensitive and shouldn't be planted out until all danger of frost has passed and the soil has started to warm up to around 60 degrees. They like full sun and rich, loose, well-draining soil. Dahlias grow from tubers and should be planted between 4 to 6 inches deep. Cover tubers with soil, but keep in mind that you don't have to water the tubers until you see green sprouts coming up from the soil. At first the tubers have no roots and too much water can rot the tuber. Watering requirements will vary, depending on location, soil and weather. About 1 to 2 inches weekly and even bi-weekly in the heat of summer. It is a good idea to stake taller varieties to give them added support for their heavy blooms. To keep your dahlias blooming all summer long, it is important to deadhead spent blooms to encourage new buds to form. They are cut and come again flowers and would make a lovely addition to any cut flower garden. Dahlias have always been one of our favorite flowers to grow in our garden. Once you grow them yourself, you will understand why. Thanks for watching our video and we wish you all a happy gardening season.